Are you looking for a headphone hook or a headphone holder for your computer desk? Something which is sturdy, easy to use, and easy to install? Well, then you should be looking at the one by EURPMASK. So, the unboxing experience is pretty simple. A brown box, inside that you have a plastic bag, and inside that you have your headphone holder. Now, this thing here is spring-loaded C-clamp. The trick here to expand this C-clamp is to do it from over here. If you try to do it from the edge over here, that is going to be difficult. So expand it from over here. The minimum thing this can go to, or the minimum width of the table which you need, is 0.31 inches to a maximum of 1.57 inches, which means it should cover most of the computer tables out there. Me personally, I have a computer desk which is 1.5 inches thick, and this thing works absolutely fine. Super easy to install. Now, of course, you do not want this headphone holder to scratch your table. So they have added soft rubber pads on both ends of this C clamp. The material here is super sturdy. It is not something which is flimsy, and it is not going to break easily. Other than that, you also have this cable clip over here. So this you can use to attach the cable of your headphone in case your headphones are wired, so that the cable is not hanging or dangling. This is a pretty nice touch for the gamers out there who definitely want to use wired headphones with low latency. And the other thing, the best part, is the hook over here wherein you hang your headphones. This thing right here can be rotated 360 degrees, and you can stop it at different angles as well. So if you want it like this, like this, like this, or do you want it like this? Yes, 360-degree rotation on the arm where you hang your headphones. Other than that, this thing over here is wide enough to hold at least two headphones, maybe even more, but it will easily hold two headphones, and you do not necessarily have to use it for hanging headphones. Anything which you want to hang, the ladies, if you want to hang your wallets, your purses, you can use this headphone holder hook so that your desk there is clutter free. Me personally, I use this to hang my headphones, a few dongles, and my cap. So yes, this thing is definitely versatile. It is available in 5 different colors, and the maximum weight you can put on this is 2.2 pounds, which is just under a kilogram, I think. And most headphones out there are generally in the 250-ish to the 350-ish, being on the higher side in grams, right? So your Sony WH-1000 XM4s are around 250-ish grams. The AirPods Max are 385 grams. This thing can hold up to a maximum of 1 kilogram. So you think you're covered with two headphones and something else. But again, pretty sturdy material, easy to use, easy to install, no complaints. And this arm over here is also curved. So it is not a straight line, it is curved, which should make sure that your headphones are not moving too much when they're hanging on this headphone hook. And there it is, peeps, just a small review of the headphone hook or the headphone holder by EURPMASK. Definitely worth the investment and pretty versatile for what it is supposed to do.